Number 8.
Are you a daily commuter or a frequent traveler? Are you seeking a new way to get around in the city with more powerful, highly mobile, and portable magic? SDREAM is back. It is yours. SDREAM Ur is the smoothest folding e-bike for urban exploration. It's fast. It's lightweight. It's foldable. It's unprecedented comfy with patented suspension, providing a smooth riding experience through the crowded city hassle-free. We use advanced magnesium alloy materials to create a futuristic streamlined frame. Magnesium alloys are lighter than aluminum alloys and are more durable and environmentally friendly than carbon fibers. It also greatly reduces the toxic gases and waste liquids produced during the production of carbon fiber. Realize the ultimate pursuit of green travel. The comfort of riding SDREAM Ur is absolutely unprecedented. The unique patented rear suspension makes you addicted to riding, and you don't feel tired even if you ride for a long time. Durability is 3 times higher than traditional hydraulic components. SDREAM Ur is fast and powerful. It provides 5-level electric assist mode to customize your cycling and to strengthen your pedaling. You may also use twist throttle to go full electric riding. Release your feet. Fast riding has never been so easy. SDREAM Ur is so compact that you can carry it anywhere, indoors, upstairs, onto the metro, into office, and your car. The unique powerful magnet suction and bottom roller design so it can walk with you easily. The batteries are hidden in the seat post, the magic mini space for efficient capacity. It can be easily removed for charging or storage. Now, the smoothest folding e-bike is coming. Can't wait to own the joy of urban exploration? Back us on Indiegogo. It is yours.
Number 7.
The ultimate bike experience is here. Introducing the SUPERSTRATA, the world's first unibody carbon fiber composite bike, custom made for you. Each one of our SUPERSTRATA bikes is 3D printed with continuous carbon fiber to custom fit your size, ride style, and riding experience. Our frame is made for your frame, which means it'll fit you. And you too. Our bikes are created with precision lasers and robots with quality ensured by our PhD educated pros. That means a single unibody frame with no joints, no bolts and no glue. Just one solid piece of industrial grade carbon fiber. Made of the most advanced composite materials of any bike on the market, the frame is so light it weighs less than 2 water bottles. Seriously, we tested that. Our unique unibody design makes the SUPERSTRATA more impact resistant than any other carbon fiber bike on the market. Super light, super strong, this bike is nothing short of revolutionary. Looking for upgrades? We got you covered. Underneath the strong bones is an intelligent infrastructure for power and data flowing throughout the bike. Add all the gadgets you want after the campaign, or none at all, and focus on the ride. Roads, gravel, touring, or visiting grandmother's house at the top of that really steep hill without even breaking a sweat. Our beautiful battery design fits right into your custom-fitted frame, so you can hardly tell it's an e-bike. With its lightweight frame, comfortable ride, and high-quality specs, the SUPERSTRATA is the last bike you'll ever need. It will feel like it was made just for you, because it was.
Number 6.
Scooter or dirt bike? You decide. Introducing the new KUBERG Ranger. A unique crossbreed of a high-performance dirt bike and a functional city scooter. It's as fun as it is functional and as powerful as it is practical. Hit the dirt and the track. There's no compromise on the Ranger's versatility and no limit to its fun. The Ranger features Go Anywhere mode. Exclusive to KUBERG, it's a combination of power, torque, lightness, and silence that you just won't find in another bike. It's a one-of-a-kind bike with a one-of-a-kind construction for a one-of-a-kind riding experience. With over 9 years in the making and 7,000 bikes behind us and sold in 43 countries, we're proven pioneers of the electric motorcycle industry. The bike is 100% handcrafted by our dedicated engineers in our own factory in Europe, using only 100% premium components for 100% quality. We don't settle for less than the best because we don't believe you should. The Ranger doesn't just play hard. It also works hard. From commuting to heavy lifting, it's a workhorse, suitable for all your needs, whatever your skill level. The only way we could think to launch this one-of-a-kind bike is with a one-of-a-kind deal. Exclusive to this Indiegogo campaign. Adventure is just around the corner. What are you waiting for?
Number 5.
We at United City Bikes are sure you like to be flexible and independent. You don't want to be stuck in traffic and spend your time looking for parking? At United City Bikes, we have developed a folding bike that takes urban mobility to the next level. We have asked ourselves, what do you actually need?
Our answer is the world's lightest, smartest, most flexible and most affordable electric folding bike.
A bike that only weighs 12.5 kilos is easy to carry, easy to store and easy to ride.
Quality is our top priority.
You invest in a product that is made to last. The One is not just another folding bike. It contains more than 20 patents, has a handmade magnesium alloy frame, and if you opt for the extra-large battery, it reaches up to 60 kilometers. You can fold the One in 10 seconds. A high-performance magnet holds it in place, and it's only 25 centimeters slim in folded condition. We at United City Bikes hope to change the world by changing the way we move. But we are convinced that changing the world can also be fun.
Get involved and become a part of our crowdfunding campaign.
We don't need crowdfunding to develop this bike, but to start rolling it out. This is a fully tested and certified product. We are ready for the next step to make the world's lightest electric folding bike accessible to everyone in every city in the world. Order the One, and it will come to you fully equipped and ready to use. No compromises, no hidden upgrades. The only compromise we made was the price. How do we manage to keep the cost down and the quality high? We use our experience. We source products from great partners. We know about manufacturing. We believe in crowdfunding and direct online trade. We produce as much as we need. We don't waste money on storage, dealerships, etc.
Everyone gets off this bike with a big smile. Support us to market the world's lightest and smartest electric folding bike globally. We are ready for the next step. Take it with us. Order the One now and you will save up to $890 on the regular price. And I promise that you will have it this summer.
Number 4.
A1 from ANNOBIKE. When you are driven by design and performance, when your curiosity takes you to uncharted paths, when your urge to stand out from the crowd leads you to new heights, when you don't settle for less than perfection, when you want to change the world by your actions, let us our world one ride at a time. Be the one to make it happen. A1 from ANNOBIKE. Let us take the road less traveled. With A1, we are offering you a bike designed in Denmark that is made to last. We've gone out of our way to find the perfect components to match our vision of a cutting-edge design. Your safety is of highest priority for us. That is why we've used air suspension, disc brakes, puncture-resistant tires, and many other high-quality components. We'd like to let you know that we've got your back. That is why we offer 2 years warranty for all vital components. A1 from ANNOBIKE. Let us take the lead together in urban mobility. We'd like to give you the freedom to ride into the wilderness, into the heart of your city, or where you want to go. A1 from ANNOBIKE. Join us and let us make it happen.
Number 3.
The HIMO Z20, the all-new foldable electric power bike. Whether you are commuting, exploring, or looking for a more exciting way to stay fit, this is the HIMO Z20, your new adventurous companion. Step your life up a gear and take your mobility to the next level. Power through any terrain with its high-efficiency DC brushless motor. Be ready for any expedition with a 10A capacity battery that will power up your ride and allow you to go for as far as 80 kilometers and enjoy both manual and power assistance cycling. Fold the bike in seconds. That's right, seconds. Keep your bike by your side, no matter where you go, thanks to its lightweight aluminum alloy frame. But what about all the bells and whistles? Charge your companion anytime, anywhere, using its removable lithium battery. Be prepared for any eventuality with its integrated air pump, just in case. Monitor live cycling data on its crystal clear display. And yes, it's waterproof. The HIMO Z20 is a powerful lightweight e-bike for any situation. Release your inner adventurer. Your companion is waiting.
Number 2.
Introducing the Astali E20, the e-bike for everywhere. Get ready to experience freedom like never before. At Astali, our mission is to provide travel and commuting solutions that don't cost the earth. And it starts here. Take charge discreetly. This is the e-bike that doesn't look like an e-bike. Our beautifully simple design features a battery hidden in the seat post. Two-way charging means you can top up the battery in the bike or take it away to boost. Take charge everywhere. Our EU road legal e-bike has 20-inch wheels with chunky tires, making longer rides more comfortable and hybrid conditions effortless. It folds in under 10 seconds and you can transport it anywhere. Take charge flexibly with 5 power assist modes controlling our rear hub brushless motor. Take charge of your fitness by riding it without electrical assist. Or just take a back seat and enjoy the 50-kilometer range. Take charge of hills with our Shimano 7-speed gear set. No incline is going to intimidate you anymore. And take care with our powerful front and rear disc brakes. Take charge with the Astali E20. Join us. Become an electric rider. Astali. Let's take charge.
Number 1.
What do we need to feel free? Feeling nothing that controls your life and mind. Begin your journey with Fido. Imagine there are no limitations at all. The Fido electric bike offers an outstanding riding experience due to its 20-inch wheels and Shimano's 7-gear transmission system, which provides stability under any conditions. No matter how fast you are going, the dual disc brake system immediately slows you down. One charge let you travel up to 100 kilometers on a flat road and up to 50 kilometers while using built-in power boost mode. Powerful 250-watt motor provides you sufficient amount of energy for any ride. Aluminum alloy makes it super light, super easy to charge due to hidden battery inside the seat. Its minimalistic and modern design defines the future of electric bikes.